Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Easy Eye Makeup Over 50. I'm Holly Carter. I've been in the beauty industry for 27 years, and I'm here to help busy people look and feel more confident without expensive procedures and treatments. Let's get started. So I'm going to give you an easy eye makeup look. So if you're one of those women who doesn't feel super confident about their eye makeup, you want to try something new but you're afraid, or you don't like going to the department store and having them do your makeup. Number one, you don't know how to do it when you get home. And number two, you don't look like yourself and you kind of feel very uncomfortable. So if you're one of those women, this is for you. So I'm going to start today. These are the shades that I'm going to use. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take, I've already put my primer on, and I've already taken a little bit of my concealer, and I've sort of just put it in the darker parts of my eyelid and just tapped it in very gently with my ring finger, because you don't want to pull that gentle skin. Okay, so I'm going to take this darker shade and I'm going to put it all over my lid from my lash line up to my crease. And this is an all over an eyebrow brush. Okay, so now I have hooded eyes, which means when you look at me, you can't see my lid. You can only see my my skin sort of drooping down, which of course is probably going to get worse the older I get. So next what we want to do is I'm taking this pink shade here and I'm using an angled brush, and that's going to go in my crease. And so because I have hooded eyes, I want to put it a little higher so that it covers up part of this sort of hood over my eyelid, okay? So I'm just going to gently take it. I'm not going to put it all the way up to my eyebrow. I want a little bit of definition there. Do the same on the other side. And then I'm going to take this blending brush and I'm just going to blend that in. Okay, now you could just stop there if you wanted. And you could just take your eyeliner, put it on, your mascara, and you'd be great. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take this light shade and I'm going to just sort of put a little bit sort of in the corner. And it doesn't take much, but it just sort of adds a little bit of brightness in there. Just like that. And then for a little fun, I have this shimmer and it's a silver. And so I'm going to take my my finger and I'm going to do that, and I'm just going to tap it sort of on the middle of my lid. It'll work much better with your finger than it will with a brush. And just sort of add a pop. And now I'm going to take black eyeliner. You can use brown. You know, if you have blue eyes, brown is a great option. I just happen to want to try black. And you're just going to put it in your lash line. You don't need like a big, you know, one continuous line across the top. Just sort of put it into your lashes. I go all the way to the corner on both sides. I'm sorry for the mirror, but I can't see anything without a magnifying mirror these days. Okay. There. Now I'm going to throw on my mascara. And I always curl my lashes because I have very straight lashes. And if you, like, I just noticed that I kind of have, it's hard to do in this mirror, but I kind of messed up a little bit on my left eye. So I'm going to take a brush and I'm just going to kind of smooth it out. And if you need to, you can always grab a Q-tip with some eye makeup remover and just try to fix the mistake if it gets too bad. Okay, so now I'm going to grab my mascara. I've done curled one side, and you want to go to the base of your lashes and just sort of wiggle it and pull out. I don't have great lashes, so I use 2 or 3 coats of mascara. And there we go. And I don't use eyeliner on the bottom. I typically use like eyeshadow. Maybe if I'm wearing black eyeliner, I might take just a tad bit of black eyeshadow and just sort of sweep underneath. I also might use one of the shades, the darker shades of eyeshadow that I was using, because I tend to have sort of oily, I don't know, under eyes. And it doesn't matter what I do, but it just runs. So I like to use eyeshadow better. And plus it doesn't give a super harsh line under there. And I think that helps with, you know, my age. I don't look harsh. I kind of want it a little softer. So let me just do this other eye and then we'll be finished. And for those of you who don't know, you need to get rid of your mascara every 3 months. You know, you can, mascara can have bacteria in it. And if you're using it on a regular basis, it's really good to replace it 4 times a year. Put another coat on over here. And I'm done. So please subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends. And I've also got the free guide to 10 tips to looking younger without expensive procedures below. You can grab that. And I hope to see you next time. Thanks so much for joining.